Okay, then let's have a look at this one. It's different from everything we've done before because this is not just one lot of x squareds. So when we had symmetry before, we haven't got symmetry. So here's our 4 lines then. Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now first line, first term must give 6x squared. So what times what gives 6x squared? 6x and x and 6x. Now because we haven't put any pieces in the jigsaw down, it doesn't matter. We don't need to write these down, of course. And we don't need to write the minuses because the pluses and minuses are taken care of later in this method. So we can either plumb for this one or that one. Now it's just a choice. If it's not that one, it'll be the other one. But we'll try and put the first pieces in the jigsaw down by putting 3x and 2x. If nothing works, then we could go back and do the 6x and the x, couldn't we, and put those in place. As I say, it doesn't matter which way around you write them because everything's completely empty at the moment. So there's our choice. We've got a 50-50 chance on this of getting it right first time. So that's 6x squared then. That's the first piece in the jigsaw. Now the minus 2. Well, it's minus 2 times 1 or minus 1 times 2. Now the point is before they were symmetrical because the middle line, the last line, here and here, the last line was the last term, but the middle lines, there's going to be 3 of these and 2 of those. So it does matter when we swap them, it will make a difference because this isn't the same. So they're not, there's no symmetry there. So we've got to write them around the other way as well because it makes a difference this time. So 2 and minus 1. So I've put the opposites around, swapped them around, because there has to be 3 of these and 2 of those. And in this case, the opposites swapped around do make a different amount. So we have to put them all down in this case when it's not just a single x squared. Okay, good. So 3 of these and 2 of these middle lines needs to add up to x. So 3 of those and 2 of those. 3 of these and 2 of those here, that adds up to 1, doesn't it? 3 of these is minus 3, 2 of these is 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So that one looks like the one, so let's try that. 3 of these. So the minus 1 needs to be over here. And 2 of these, so the 2 plus 2 needs to be here, doesn't it? So we've got 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 equals 0. So that tells us that 3x plus 2 is 0 then. Or 2x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equals minus 2. And this one tells us that 2x equals 1. So we can see that x is minus 2/3, can't we? Here. And x equals a half here. And we could tap those values in a calculator, put them in here to check that they were correct.